Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. St. Anne, a small town in southeastern Manitoba, located about 40 kilometers east of Winnipeg, Manitoba. It sits along the Seine River in the Red River Valley region, an area known for flat farmland, fertile soil, and long-established rural communities. St. Anne functions as a local hub for surrounding agricultural land and nearby hamlets. The population of St. Anne is roughly 2,000 to 3,000 residents, depending on whether the surrounding rural municipality is included. While small, it is one of the more developed service centers in the region, providing schools, healthcare, and basic commercial services for nearby rural populations. Its size has grown steadily over time, especially as more people choose to live outside Winnipeg while commuting into the city. St. Anne's history begins in the late 1800s, when French-Canadian settlers moved into southeastern Manitoba. The town is named after St. Anne, reflecting the strong Catholic influence among early settlers. These communities established churches, farms, and small trading areas along the Seine River, which provided water access and fertile land. Agriculture has always been the foundation of St. Anne's development. The surrounding Red River Valley is one of the most productive farming regions in Canada, known for crops like wheat, canola, corn, and soybeans. Early settlers relied on mixed farming, and over time, agriculture became the main economic driver of the region. The Seine River plays a central role in the geography of St. Anne. It flows through the town and surrounding rural areas, shaping both the natural landscape and early settlement patterns. River valleys like this were important for travel, water supply, and agriculture, and they continue to influence development today. One of the defining characteristics of St. Anne is its bilingual and Franco-Manitoban heritage. French and English are both widely used, reflecting the town's historical roots. Cultural traditions from early French-Canadian settlers remain visible in local events, schools, and community institutions. A major historical landmark in the area is the local parish, which dates back to the early settlement period. Churches in communities like St. Anne were often among the first permanent structures built, serving as both religious and social centers. They helped anchor early communities and remain important parts of local identity. In recent decades, the town has experienced gradual residential growth. New housing developments have been added on the edges of the community, attracting families and commuters from Winnipeg and nearby areas. This growth has expanded St. Anne while still maintaining its small town structure and agricultural surroundings. Transportation access is a key factor in St. Anne's development. Highway connections link the town directly to Winnipeg and other communities in southeastern Manitoba. This makes it a practical location for commuting while still offering a quieter rural lifestyle. The surrounding landscape is typical of the Red River Valley, with wide, flat fields and open skies. This geography has defined settlement patterns, farming practices, and even transportation routes in the region. The land is highly productive, but also prone to seasonal flooding in some areas. Overall, St. Anne is a small but established town shaped by agriculture, river geography, and French-Canadian settlement history. Its steady growth, regional role, and proximity to Winnipeg make it an important part of southeastern Manitoba's rural landscape. Thanks for watching!